Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to upload your resume on the Indeed app. Uploading your resume makes it easier to apply for jobs quickly and allows employers to find you more easily. So, let's get started on how to upload your resume on the Indeed app. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Look for the option Upload CV and select it. Your device file manager will open. Choose the resume document you want to upload. Wait for the upload to process. A preview of your CV will appear. Review the document. If it looks correct, select the Yes, this looks right option. Your CV will be saved and you will see a message confirming it. And that's how you can upload resume on Indeed app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.